Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your computer to upload a video to YouTube. So first thing you have to do is you have to find your video. So mine's right here. And even before you do that, how I got to this screen was I just went to youtube.com, and then if you click on the little camera here and go to upload video, it'll load that screen. Okay. Next thing is you drag your video over. If it's not on your desktop or it's not easy to drag, you can just find it on your computer by using this button. Alright, so now it'll take a couple seconds. It'll upload. This is a real short video, so it's uploading pretty quickly. And what I have here is this is a checkpoint for a coding unit I'm doing. The reason I put private in here is because it's answers to a checkpoint that the students have to figure out. So I want to upload this, but I don't want to upload this publicly because I don't want them to have the answers. It's just for me so I can remember real quickly how to solve it in case, next year I come back and I forget how to do it. So if you scroll down, you'll see there's a spot for playlists. So I have a coding unit, a coding checkpoint answers playlist. Now this playlist is private, so only I can see it. So I know that that's going to be good. Now if you don't have a playlist already, you can just create a new one. So if you create the new one, you call it whatever you'd like in here, and then you can set its privacy settings. So it's public. This would be like lessons, I guess, that you'd want to just have open to anyone. This is private, so this is only you'll be able to see it. And then unlisted is you'd have to give them a link to it. Now, whatever you select, you can always change it. So you can make videos for like next week or next month, and you can have them as private until you're ready for them to see your videos. So once you figure out what you want to do, you just kind of select it in there and then click create. Since I already have one, I'm just going to press on this one. And then I'll click done. Okay, there's a couple other settings in here. Made for kids, we have to click that for the education, and then if you click next, these are some extra settings, not necessary. And then if you go to the final one, now this is going to ask you for the specific video. Do you want this video to be public? Do you want it to be unlisted? Or do you want it to be private? And again, it's an answer key, so I want it to stay private. So it says only you and people you choose can see your video. So there is a way to share this. If you have a student that's struggling and you want to help them out, you could share this with them, and then they would be the only ones that could see it, even if they gave the link to someone else. But if they screen recorded it, then then it could be out there. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You click Save Next, and then it'll get loaded in here. Now, if your video is like one of those 10-minute lessons, it's probably going to still say that it's uploading. Since this was a real short video, it's all ready to roll. Okay, if you click this button, you can view it on YouTube. If you click this over here, you can change it if it's private or not. And if you forgot to make it a playlist, you could always click over here and then add it to a playlist by using these buttons up here. You can have the same video in multiple playlists as well if that's a thing. All right, so I hope that helps. There you go.